Get the fuck out of here.
The interaction between law enforcement and uncooperative suspects, emphasizing a detailed analysis of suspect behavior, mental state, and psychological obstacles to achieving a peaceful resolution. The focus extends to the impact of legal actions on mental health within a legal dispute and individual behavior. Also investigates the psychological aftermath of a high-stress event, using an explosion in a neighborhood as an example. The examination encompasses the psychological effects on both witnesses and victims, revealing insights into coping mechanisms and social responses during crises. By studying the reactions of those involved, uncovers valuable information about how individuals navigate and rationalize traumatic occurrences, ultimately shedding light on broader social and psychological trends.
What do you think?